That was the practice one. Not bad, not bad. I love it. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to the next matchup. Today it's 어린이날 or Children's Day. Children's Day is a time in Korea where children get to celebrate being children, and it is a national holiday, so no school for them. How lucky. So what I thought I'd do is prepare a quick cake. This is a really simple recipe that is perfect to do as a family. Everyone has time off on Children's Day here in Korea. So get your friends and family together and get these ingredients, and it's something you can make with kids of any age. Afterwards, if I've got anything left over, I might just do a very quick sort of toffee recipe that goes really well with cups as well. So let's make this one first, and then let's see what we've got left over at the end. Let's begin. What a beautiful piece of art. Oh, can't wait to eat this. That was the practice one. Not bad, not bad. I love it. Now stick around, I'm actually going to do another dessert recipe, so let's keep watching.